A very good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are really doing good. So, I hope you have understood the last session which we did on conjunctions. Today we are going to see the prepositions. Okay, the prepositions are a part of the parts of speech. Okay, and now we will see the definition of the prepositions. Preposition is a word that connects nouns and pronouns with the other words in a sentence. So now what is a preposition? Preposition is a word which connects the nouns and pronouns with the other words or with the other objects in the given sentence. Okay, now we'll see an example to understand this one. The book is beneath the pillow. Now see here, we are using the word the book, right? This is a subject. The subject is the book. Okay, now these are the other words, right? So now here, where is the book? Where is the book? Now you say the book is beneath the pillow. Now we are using the word called as beneath here, right? This word is used to relate this particular part of the sentence with this particular part of the sentence, right? So if you just remove the word beneath, the book is the pillow, so there is no meaning at all, right? That means the preposition is giving a proper meaning to the sentence. It is showing the relation of the nouns or pronouns with the other words in the sentence. So here the book is beneath the pillow. Okay, the cat is on the table. So where is the cat? Where is the cat? So if you remove this on, then there will be no meaning in the sentence. So that is the reason why we are writing the word called as on, and this on is a preposition. So this preposition is giving a kind of relation to the other words in the sentence. So it is telling where the cat is. Where the cat is. So to tell where the cat is, to tell the exact position of the cat, we are using the word called as preposition. So now where is the cat? Cat is on the table. So the word on is used to relate the other words in the sentence. Now this cat is a noun, isn't it? So this noun is used to relate the other words, right? This noun and the other words in the sentence are related to each other with the help of on. Okay, now this is one of the definition. So in the other definition, what you can say is, so here preposition can also be defined as short words which are used to show. Okay, prepositions are the short words which are used to show position, location, direction and time in English. So what are prepositions here? They are the short words which basically show the position, location, direction and time in English. If you look at the position here, I have given an example here, right? The book is on the table. So what is a word, what is a short word which is showing the position of the book which is on the table? Yes, the word is on. Okay, so the word on here is showing the position of the book, okay, which is on the table, right? And coming to the location. So she is in the class. So where is she? She is in the class. So what is her location now? So see here, it is a noun and then these are the other words. So here, how these are related? They are related using the word called as in. Okay, and also the in is a word which is showing the location. So in here can be the preposition. So on and in both are prepositions. Now coming to the prepositions, short words which are used to show direction. Now see the direction. She is going into the house. Now which is a word, which is a short word which is showing the direction? Yes, that is the word is into. So this word into is showing where the child is going to, right? So here into, in the sense she is going into the house. There is a movement here, right? So direction, okay, you can say into the house. Coming to the time, right? So they will be here at 3 o'clock, right? So here at is a word which is showing the time. Like this, there are many prepositions. These are only just examples. You can use lot of prepositions using the position, location, direction, and time in English. So here we have taken just 4 examples, right? Okay. So children, there are 2 types of prepositions. Okay, we have seen the definition of prepositions, and now we come to the 2 types of prepositions. One is simple prepositions, and second one is the compound prepositions. First one is the simple prepositions, and second one is the compound prepositions. So all of them, first of all, we'll deal with the simple prepositions here, right? These simple prepositions are the one word prepositions. They are very short and one word prepositions. So I have written some examples on the board, you can see here, right? Now if you see, the first one is at, okay, second one is by, third one is for, fourth one is from, fifth one is in, next is of, that is OFF, of, next is OF, of, right? And next one is on, out, through, till, to, up, with. So these are all the simple prepositions. I have given some examples with each of the simple preposition here, right? If you see the first one, at, she is at the bus stop. She is at bus stop, right? So where she is standing here, she is standing at the bus stop, right? So the second one is the by. He came by bus, right? So which is the word preposition here? By. I bought present for them. So for here is the preposition. I got gift from my friend. So here from becomes the prepositions, right? The doll is in the box. The doll is in the box. So here in becomes the preposition. The cat jumped off the table. So here off in the sense it jumped off the table, right? So it is no more on the table. So the cat jumped off, 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 right? So one more example you can take it. I switched off my mobile. I switched off my mobile, right? So this is how off is used, okay? Otherwise, your mother or your father says, come on, go and switch on the fan, switch off the fan, switch on the fan, okay? OFF, off, okay? And then OF in the sense, he is friend of mine, okay? This doll is made of plastic, okay? That is how we use OF, off, right? Now, coming to the other words here, right? On. He sat on the chair. He sat on the chair. So here on shows the surface. It shows the surface, right? So he sat on the chair. Out. I jumped out of my car. I jumped out of my car. I looked out of my window. Okay? That is how you can give examples for out. Next is through. The car went through the tunnel. So here the word through shows that there is opening in the 2 sides. So you start from one end of the opening and go out of the other opening. So that is how, okay, you might have seen the tunnels, right? When you're going the trains and all, the tunnels will start like this, okay, and they will open at the other end. So the train will start from here and again it will move out of the tunnel. So you can see that the train, okay, went through the tunnel. So it crossed the tunnel, right? So that is how we use the word called as through. Till. He was awake till 11 p.m. Here, the word till shows us the time. It shows us the time, right? He's awake till 11 p.m. 2. I'm going to meet my friend. I'm going to meet my friend. So here, to will be the preposition. And next is up. He is already up. That means he's out of the bed now. Okay, he already got up. So he's now awake. So he is already up. With. I went with my brother. I went with my brother. So here, with is the preposition. So these are the different prepositions which are called as the simple prepositions, or we call them as the one word prepositions. Right, children. So after learning the simple prepositions, now we will go ahead with the compound prepositions. Right? The compound prepositions are like, they usually start with a prefix of A or B. So here you can see examples. All these words are starting with A and few of them are starting with B. Okay, so mostly these are the words which have the A or B as a prefix, right? So now examples you can see is about, across, along, amidst, before, behind, below, okay, beneath, okay, amongst, among, okay. So these are all the different words which you can take as the example. So what I've done is I have given some examples on the board here, right? So if you take the word above, right, above, so you can say, you can use the word in this way: the sun is above the clouds. The sun is above the clouds. If you take the about, so you can use in the way, tell me about it. I want to know more about it. Okay, tell me about it. I have learned about so and so thing today. Across, he ran across the road. Okay, the dog ran across the road. So along, houses had been built along both sides of the road. Okay, I went along with my father. Amidst in the sense, like, no, for example, this is you and there are some group of people around you, so you are known to be amidst them. You are known to be amidst them. So here I have taken example in such a way that there is a person called as Rajesh, okay, and there was a lake. A child is drowning in the water. So there are so many other people also over here, and they were all creating some kind of chaos, some kind of confusion. Okay, in spite of that particular situation here, amidst all the confusion, Rajesh stayed calm. Though there was confusion, amidst all the confusion made by all the people, okay, Rajesh stayed calm and this man saved the drowning child. So amidst in the sense, in a group, right? And then coming to the before. So when you write examinations and all, so you'll be very, very nervous. So how you will say the sentence? Here you can see in such a way, everybody is nervous before exams. And another word you can take here is behind. I sat behind my friend. When you sit in the examinations and all, like mostly, like, no, you want to sit behind your friend or in front of your friend. So here you sat behind your friend. Below, okay, so you'll be given some documents and you'll be asked to sign below at the end, right? So please read carefully, okay, please carefully read and sign the below document. So this is how below, behind, before, okay, amidst, along, across, about, above, all these words become the compound prepositions. They become the compound prepositions. So children, these are the compound prepositions and also the simple prepositions. Okay, children. So basing on this, what you can do is you can take your textbook and come to the page number 38 and 39 and complete the given prepositions. Okay, so there are blanks and also there are some sentences which are given where you need to identify the prepositions and underline them. So you also go ahead with that, and if you have any doubt and all, you can text me up. Okay, have a great day. See you. Take care.